That sound. It's the sound of a restaurant-quality breakfast, a perfect hibachi dinner, all happening in your backyard. Forget everything you know about grilling. The outdoor griddle isn't just another appliance, it's a total game changer. It's the ultimate cooking canvas. But with so many options, which one actually delivers? We cooked everything from pancakes to smash burgers on the top models to find the 5 that are truly worth your money. One of them has a feature so smart, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. All links to the best deals are in the description below. Fire it up! Starting at number 1. Pit Boss 5-burner griddle with folding shelves. Best overall. This outdoor griddle delivers on construction, ease of use and performance. It's sturdy, has 5 burners and can use up to 62,000 BTUs, among the most powerful on our list. Don't worry, the output is still manageable since those BTUs are divided between the number of burners. Each burner ignites with a simple turn, and the control panel is clearly labeled with temperature markings and how to use instructions. How it performed in lab tests. Dan DeClerico, director of our Home Improvement and Outdoors Lab, tested this griddle using our kitchen appliances lab protocols and said it's well-designed and easy to assemble. Its folding shelves double as griddle covers once the griddle is cool and not in use. The handles make the griddle easy to move around, and the drip tray is accessible on the side of the unit where the grease drainage hole is located. Long-term use. After using the griddle for over a year and cooking about once or twice a week on average, DeClerico noted that he most often uses the griddle for cooking smash burgers and breakfast, which includes bacon, eggs, pancakes and home fries, which he notes are super easy on the griddle. He hasn't had any trouble so far with starting the griddle, noting that it is easier to start than the grills and he can get it started on the first try. To keep the griddle in good shape, he cleans it right after every use and adds a thin coat of oil to prevent rusting between uses. Number 2. Blackstone 36-inch griddle with hard cover. Best large. For many cooks, Blackstone is synonymous with outdoor griddles. The model we tested is powerful, with a large, 769 square inch cooktop. It has 4 burners, folding side shelves and a bottom shelf, a magnetic tool holder, additional tool holders on the sides of the shelves, a paper towel holder and a bottle opener. How it performed in lab tests. In our tests, bacon cooked up crispy, and we could gently cook eggs on the low setting with minimal sticking. While we cooked, we noted that grease automatically pooled to the center back of the griddle, where the drainage hole is located, which helped food brown more evenly, created less smoking and sped up the cleanup. The griddle was also easy to season, but note that the lighter hue of the steel means it does discolor over time. Overall, the frame is solid, but its material feels thin, and the lid on our sample arrived dented and is a little wobbly. It's designed to hang on the back of your griddle when not in use, but it does not lie flush with the back of the unit when the drip pan is in place. Number 3. Blackstone Tabletop Griddle. Best tabletop. This outdoor tabletop griddle is great whether you have a small outdoor space, are looking to make a quick meal or need something powerful to cook on when you're camping or on a picnic. It's compatible with a small propane tank and is powerful at 22,000 BTUs. It has 2 burners, so you can cook with high heat on one side, for, say, sausage, and low heat on the other, great for pancakes. How it performed in lab tests. Like the large Blackstone we tested, the drain hole is in the center back of the griddle, giving you ample cooking space. The cooktop stands up to the durability and performance of similar full-sized models. It has a sturdy build that helps you feel confident while cooking, but it's just 32 pounds, so that you can move it around easily. Number 4. Traeger Flatrock Flat Top Grill. Easiest flat top grill to use. The Traeger Flatrock comes assembled, so there were no issues there. We seasoned the carbon steel cooktop with 4 coats of oil and were ready to cook. The U-shaped burners provide mostly even heat across the cooking surface, with unexpected hot zones near the outside edges. The Traeger's heat retention was good, but when fully loaded on one side with burgers, the temperature dipped a bit. We had no issues with food sticking, and even the fond from the burgers and cheese lifted easily with this griddle. The Traeger's grease management system is excellent, with a wide opening for scraping grease and debris without clogging. The side tables are ample, with an offset rail for hanging a grill brush and other tools between the rail and the table rather than on hooks. Number 5. Camp Chef Gridiron 36. Best value for families. The Gridiron 36 has, as the name suggests, a 36-inch cooktop with plenty of room for families and groups. In testing, we fit 12 burgers and 8 buns in 1 round of cooking and 10 pieces of bacon, 8 slices of French toast, and 6 eggs in another test round. The Griddarian is sturdily made and has wheels for moving it about. The non-stick properties were excellent, as we had 0 issues with food sticking to the griddle during tests. The griddle reached cooking temperature in about 10 minutes and was easy to clean, thanks to the front-located grease trap. And there you have it. Your ticket to becoming a backyard culinary hero. No more juggling pans, no more limited space, just endless, delicious possibilities. So, which of these 5 flat-top giants will be the centerpiece of your next epic cookout? If your mouth is watering and you're ready to upgrade, do this: like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more ways to dominate dinner. Now go make something amazing.